oh, they never had a yeast infection, or they're just so freaking perfect. Move your blood clots. Nastiness. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nessa Ray period, and I'm back with another video. As y'all can see from today's title, you guys, your girl is gonna be talking about the pom pom, pussy, coochie, all that. We're gonna be talking about it right now. And just a big disclaimer, like, I'm not no doctor and no coochie doctor or nothing like that. I'm just gonna talk about my personal experience and what works best for me. And if y'all have the same problems I have as a young lady, then I would definitely 10 out of 10 recommend everything that I'm about to be speaking on in today's video. So yeah, y'all, stay tuned. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into it. So the first thing we're gonna talk about the pom pom is you have to drink enough water. Yeah. All the girls on YouTube keep saying it. Oh, you gotta drink a lot of water. You have to really drink a lot of water, because all that stuff we're taking in our body, dead animals, eating hamburgers, curry goats, you know what I'm saying, fish, pork, all of that stuff, hams and stuff, like them is dead animals. So you need water to flush away all them bad toxins out your body, mama. So you have to drink a lot of water. And I see a lot of girls saying, oh, you need to drink 80% of water a day or some shit like that. Let me tell you something. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I drink roughly about 3 bottles a day, and I'm fine. As long as you consume at least 2-3 bottles a day, you will be okay. You don't need to be drinking no 8, 9, 10, 12, 15, 33 bottles of 33 bottles of water. Feel what? No, you don't need to do that at all. So that's my number 1 tip, y'all, is to drink a lot of water. Number 2, how to keep the pom pom clean is we're gonna throw away tissue. We're gonna throw away toilet paper. Yeah, we're gonna throw it away. We're gonna throw it away, and we're gonna use flushable wipes. Not even the regular wipes. I don't even trust the regular wipes. We're gonna use unscented flushable wipes for coochie, okay? Because let me tell you something. These toilet paper nowadays, these people are making, it's like dirt. It's like dirt. Like you're literally putting dirt in your pom pom. And when dirt go in your pom pom, that means they go dirty, and they go scratch you and itch you. Yeah, and we don't want that at all. So we're gonna be using flushable wipes. The reason I use flushable wipes is because it's moist. So you know what I'm saying, instead of just cleaning it like dry, you have actually like some type of water going down on your coochie, and it also makes you feel refreshed and refined. So that's a good thing too. So make sure you girls are using a flushable wipe. Number 3, we're still gonna talk about how to clean down there for a little bit. We're gonna be talking about how you girls be doing what I be watching, that girls literally wipe their pom pom from back to front. You're joking, right? You're joking. You gotta be joking. You joking? You wipe all that shit from behind of you come up in your wall? Yeah, idiot. You are idiot. That's why you have yeast infection. That's why you can't have crotch. Cause all of the shit your body they let out, and you wipe it up in your kunkum. No ma'am, no ham, no turkey. Y'all, you all needs to be wiping front to back. Okay? Front to back. And you need to be doing it gently. Okay? So don't be like wiping it, treating your coochie like any other old thing. Like, this is yours. She is yours. She is yours. Yours is she. You know what I'm saying? You're supposed to be taking care of her, making her feel good. Because you know when you make her feel good, she gonna make you feel good better later. Y'all really do need to be wiping the front to back. Y'all don't need to be doing no back to front type action. Like, no, we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna do that. We're not not going to do that. Next thing I want to talk about is wearing tight clothes. Okay, y'all, so from my experience, like some of the girls on YouTube be acting like they never had a yeast infection, or they're just so freaking perfect. Move your blood clots. Nastiness. Move your blood clots. You are telling me say you never have a yeast infection? Girl, bye. Bye. Let me tell you something, y'all. I have had multiple yeast infections, and not because I sleep around or nothing like that. I had the same partner for going on 6 years now, and it's not that at all. My problem is why I have yeast infections is because I like to wear tight clothes. Like, I don't like when my clothes is big. It don't makes me feel comfortable. It don't makes me feel pretty or nothing like that. Like, if it ain't tight, mama, it ain't right. You know what I'm saying? And that's why I've always gotten like yeast infections or something like that. It's not like always happening, but every time I do have a yeast infection, that's the reason why I have a yeast infection, and I have to learn from that. So y'all learn from my mistakes and don't wear freaking tight clothes. And then another thing with the tight clothes, y'all need to be wearing cotton underwear. Do you hear me? Or if you don't wear cotton underwear, don't wear no underwear at all. Yeah, don't wear no underwear at all. Like, let the coochie breathe, mama. Let the pum pum breathe. Do you hear me? Like, sometimes when y'all shower and stuff, y'all don't even have to do nothing. Just lay in your bed, cup your legs open like this, and just let the breeze just go in there and like just do its thing. You know what I'm saying? Y'all do know like the vagina is self-cleaning. It cleans itself. So y'all don't need to put in no soap up in there, no nothing or nothing at all. You don't need to be putting nothing in your pum pum. Nothing. Cut it out. Cut it out, cut it out, cut it out, cut it out. Yeah, like, I had to learn the hard way about wearing tight clothes. Like, even my jeans, y'all, like, I used to love wearing like tight jeans. I could be a 10 and I'm in a 7. Well, that's kind of like pushing it. I could be a 10 and I'll be in like an 8. Because I used to love that tight feeling. Like, I don't like loose things on my body. It just makes me feel uncomfortable. Keep having to pull it up, pull it up, pull it up. And I don't own belts. So you know what I'm saying? So it was very hard for me. So y'all stay away from tight clothing. And make sure y'all always wearing some cotton underwear. And the next thing to touch on that is, y'all, stop putting soap in your pum-pum. Stop putting soap in your pum-pum. It pum-pum clean itself. You don't need no soap, or you don't need nothing like that. Yeah, you don't. What I personally do, and what you can do for yourself too, if you feel like it's not cleaning properly, what you can do is, when I had my baby, they gave me peri bottles. If you don't know what a peri bottle is, you know them 99-cent drink from the store with the pull top, the blue drink with the pull top. A peri bottle is something similar to that, which y'all can, I'm not telling y'all use the bottle, I'm telling y'all go get a peri bottle. So don't mix my words up and say, oh, Nessa said this. That's not tell y'all dumbass nothing. But yeah, you need to get a peri bottle, and if you feel like it's not cleaning itself good enough, you get a peri bottle, mama, and you put lukewarm water. Is it lukewarm, or how you say that word? It's like, it's not hot water and it's not cold water. It's just like the perfect mixture of two, and then you put it in the peri bottle. Just water, just water, just water. And then you cock up on one side of the tub, and you just scoot. It's like douching, but it's not douching. It's because it's just water in it. And when you do that, I promise y'all gonna be feeling so refreshed and refined afterwards. Like, y'all gonna come back and in my DM and say, oh, Nessa, yeah, after I did this, the little water in the peri bottle thingy, that gave me a little feels, you know. So yeah, make sure y'all do that if y'all feel like y'all do have a stench of an odor or anything like that. Another thing I'm gonna touch on is, make sure you watch the type of stuff you use bathes. Like rags, if you use a rag to bathe your coochie, don't do it. I would not recommend it at all, because rags is a cloth. So cloths hold bacteria. What I recommend is a loofah, and all you need to be doing with the loofah is wiping around the edges, like the lips and stuff. That's all you need to do with a loofah. Make sure you wash the loofah out real good, wash all the soap and stuff out of it, and yep, mama, you gonna be good. You know what I'm saying? Okay, and I see a lot of girls talking about some, oh, you need to eat pineapples, eat pineapples, eat pineapples, eat pineapples, eat pineapples. Let me tell y'all something. I eat pineapples, but I don't eat it like often. But when I do see it, I don't really see a change in my body. Like, I don't know if it's that's just me or what. Like, I'm not saying pineapple doesn't work, but the way I see these YouTuber girls like stress eating pineapples, but I don't see it do nothing for me at all, y'all. Like, I'm gonna be 100 with y'all. Like, I don't see no type of difference. Like, I would just regular say just eat healthy in general, you know what I'm saying? Like, instead of getting McDonald's, get some bole. Like, bole is like steamed rice and chicken and stuff like that. That's way better than eating greasy ass food, you know what I'm saying? Cut the grease out your diet too, y'all. So just eat healthy, y'all. Like fruits, vegetables, all that regular stuff. I promise y'all, all that stuff goes a long freaking way. It really do, y'all. Okay, y'all, so that's gonna be the end of my how to keep the pom pom smelling good video all day 24/7. You know what I'm saying? If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications to get notified every time your girl posts a brand new video. It is greatly appreciated, and I'll see y'all in my next videos. Bye, y'all.